Have you ever stopped to wonder how the device that's become so integral to our lives came into being? It all began with a vision that belonged to a man whose name is synonymous with innovation, Steve Jobs. The year was 2007, a year that would witness the birth of a device that would forever change the course of technology. The inception of the iPhone wasn't just about creating a new product, it was about redefining what a phone could be. Steve Jobs and his team at Apple had a singular goal: to create a device that wasn't just functional, but intuitive, elegant, and transformative. They envisioned a world where technology and design converged in a way that had never been seen before. And so, the first iPhone was born, a sleek, glossy gadget that was more than just a phone. It was a music player, a camera, a mini computer, all wrapped in one. It was, as Jobs described it, a revolutionary product that changes everything. The initial reception was a mix of awe and skepticism. Some were captivated by its charm, its simplicity, its intuitive interface. Others questioned its lack of a physical keyboard, its price, its exclusion of third-party apps. But the iPhone was here to stay. It had novelty, yes, but it also had the potential to disrupt the very fabric of the mobile phone industry. And disrupt it did. The iPhone wasn't just a new gadget in the market, it was a catalyst for change. It set a new standard for what a mobile device could be. And in doing so, it changed the way we communicate, work, play, and live. The iPhone was more than just a product. It was a statement that technology could be more than just tools. It could be an extension of ourselves, a part of our identity. And thus, the first iPhone was born, a device that started a revolution in the world of technology. But how did we get from that first model to the sleek devices we see today? Well, let's embark on a journey through the evolution of the iPhone. In 2008, a year after the initial release, the iPhone 3G hit the market. It was the first iPhone to support 3G networks and introduced us to the App Store, a feature that would revolutionize the way we use smartphones. In 2010, the iPhone 4 made its debut, bringing with it a new design and the introduction of the Retina display for a sharper, more vibrant viewing experience. The iPhone 4S, released in 2011, introduced us to Siri, our personal assistant that resides in our pocket. 2 years later, in 2013, the iPhone 5S, with its sleek and refined design, introduced us to Touch ID, a fingerprint recognition feature that allowed us to unlock our phones with just a touch. Fast forward to 2017, the iPhone X was unveiled. This model said goodbye to the home button and hello to Face ID, another innovative feature that set Apple apart from its competitors. Each iPhone model brought something new to the table. Whether it was the iPhone 6 Plus introducing us to a larger screen size in 2014, or the iPhone 7 Plus coming with dual-lens camera setup in 2016, the iPhone consistently pushed the envelope. The latest models, the iPhone 12 and 13, continue this trend. The iPhone 12 heralded the return of the flat-edge design, and both models brought 5G connectivity and improved camera systems. The iPhone 13 also boasts of a smaller notch and a promotion display for a smoother visual experience. And there you have it. From the iPhone 3G to the iPhone 13, every model has brought innovation, design elements, and features that have set Apple apart. Through each iteration, the iPhone consistently pushed the boundaries of what we thought a phone could do. But what has been the real-world impact of this technological marvel? As we delve into the societal impact of the iPhone, it's clear that it has fundamentally reshaped our world in myriad ways. It has changed the way we communicate, consume media, and even work. It's no exaggeration to say that the iPhone has revolutionized our lives. Before the iPhone, communication was primarily through calls and text messages. However, the iPhone's introduction of apps like iMessage, FaceTime, and later the App Store has transformed our communication habits. We're now able to video call, send instant messages, share photos and videos, and even express ourselves with emojis, all from a single device. The iPhone has also dramatically altered our media consumption. With its large, high-resolution screen and robust internet capabilities, it brought the internet out of our offices and homes and into our pockets. Now, we stream movies, listen to music, read the news, and browse social media anywhere, anytime. The iPhone has essentially become our personal entertainment hub. In terms of work, the iPhone has made us more mobile and flexible. Emails, documents, video conferencing, all accessible from our iPhone. It's not just a phone, it's a portable office. This accessibility has led to a shift in work culture, with many jobs now accommodating remote work and flexible hours. But perhaps the most significant impact of the iPhone is its role in popularizing touchscreen technology. Before the iPhone, touchscreens were a novelty, seen as unreliable and difficult to use. The iPhone changed that perception, showcasing the potential of touchscreens in an intuitive and user-friendly design. This influence has extended beyond smartphones, with touchscreens now ubiquitous in tablets, laptops, and even cars. The iPhone's impact on the wider smartphone industry cannot be overstated. It set a new standard for smartphone design and functionality, pushing other manufacturers to innovate and improve. The iPhone's influence is evident in every smartphone on the market today. The iPhone has not just changed our lives, it has redefined our very expectations of technology. So, what's next for the iPhone? As we gaze into the crystal ball, the future of the iPhone is as exciting as its illustrious past. We've seen it evolve from a simple communication device to a do-it-all gadget. What's next? Well, the winds of innovation are blowing in the direction of foldable iPhones. Imagine an iPhone that folds into the size of a credit card but expands into a full-size tablet. And that's not all. We're looking at the potential integration of virtual reality, bringing an entirely new dimension to our interaction with the device. Imagine being able to step into your favorite game or movie, all through your iPhone. Other futuristic features could include extended battery life, enhanced artificial intelligence, and even more advanced health tracking capabilities. Whatever the future holds for the iPhone, one thing is certain. It will continue to shape our relationship with technology in ways we can hardly imagine.